Here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Possibly could be some fossils amongst it by the looks as well. Not top gem quality material, but end up with some nice stones still, I think. Try to make some of this material affordable, so you get to have some nice pieces of opal in your collection, and at the same time have a pleasure of cutting them. That's the black kernel on that one. Bright little bar just through here. Don't know if the camera, yeah, the camera's picking that up, the golds, and goes through there. Easy blue piece by the looks, blue greens, electric greens. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what's in the deal. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.